World Muslim Congress.
Thank you, Madam Vice President. The World Muslim Congress brings to this Council's urgent attention the systematic dismantling of human rights and identity in Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Since the events of August 2019, the situation has deteriorated dramatically. Disturbingly, thousands of Kashmiris lie in unmarked graves, as documented by the Jammu Kashmir Coalition of Civil Society, with mass grave sites continuing to grow. Over 5,000 Kashmiris, some as young as 16, are detained under draconian laws like the Public Safety Act and the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. Prominent political leaders, including Yasin Malik, Asya Andrabi, Ayaz Akbar, Shabir Shah, Masarrat Alam, Naeem Ahmad Khan, and many others are held in Tihar jail under harsh conditions. Concurrently, a rapid demographic change is underway. The Indian government has issued over 4.2 million domicile certificates to non-Kashmiris since 2020. For 3 decades, a culture of impunity has prevailed, leading to an estimated 100,000 deaths, 8,000 enforced disappearances, and widespread sexual violence. This is not merely counter-terrorism, it is the erasure of a people and their heritage. We call on this council to act with...
Thank you.